you're doing a presentation online via Skype, what are some things to keep in mind so that you actually get through to your audience and convey your message in a dynamic way? First and foremost is your eye line. You have to look in the camera. If you look at the monitor, if you're looking at the people who are attending your presentation, it just looks strange. Be your most telegenic self. It's really hard to convey enthusiasm, especially when doing an online presentation. So upping your energy and your enthusiasm will really be a great thing to do to convey your message. I really encourage you to not be totally scripted. Make bullet points for yourself, a roadmap, if you will. And that's going to allow for natural, conversational points to come across, maybe some anecdotes. That way you won't be so locked in that you're just reading something, because there's nothing that is more boring than watching someone just read.